Now, even as this crisis in the Congress in Karnataka stretches on, the BJP has been having a gala time, making fun of the Congress and sharing caricatures, memes and AI-generated videos. And this is the latest one. It's a caricature of DKS and Siddaramaiah and, the wait continues, and also talking about the budget there and budget 2026, which should ideally be the priority. However, it is this tussle between both the leaders and how the wait continues for them. So really mocking the Congress in the face of this prolonged tussle over the Chief Minister's chair. Let's go across to Ritu now for more, who's been tracking all those developments. And Ritu, first for a moment, let's talk about how the BJP has been having, fun at the Congress's expense and constantly, with jibes at them over this sort of tussle for the Chief Minister's chair, and also talking about how governance the attention has just shifted from that.
Yes, very true. You see, the BJP has really got enough of ammunition to attack the Congress government here in the state, saying that how that the administration is just becoming weaker because of this kind of the CM chair drama that's on here in the state. But interestingly, you see the kind of picture that's really been put out by the BJP on its X platform. The post basically, can be seen how that the picture is depicting a lot of story as well here. One, you see the Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah kind of, can be seen in that picture trying to, request DK Shivakumar to allow him to present this 2026 budget here in the state that's basically going to happen in the month of the February. Now, why this? Basically to highlight our viewers, Devraj, who was the former Chief Minister of the state, now the Siddaramaiah really hopes to break his record to become that Chief Minister who have presented the budget for so many continuous years in the state. Now, that's the kind of the ambition or the aim that really the Siddaramaiah is having. But meanwhile, you see there's no patience with the DK Shivakumar's camp that who are saying let him become the Chief Minister. Now at least the 2.5 years is already over. But all that, you see, even that the Bengaluru weather is really cold now, but this cold war between both the leaders does not seem to be dying down sooner.
Right, Ritu, I'm sure the cold in Bengaluru is nothing compared to what it's like in Delhi. But having said that, the longer this crisis is continuing, you're having more and more jibes. You've had, Siddaramaiah's son also speaking out. But I also want to, Ritu, just talk to you for a moment about this jibe that the BJP has put, this post that they have put out in which they're talking about how Siddaramaiah wants to pass that one last budget. It's like, please let me know, at least do the 2026 budget, because there is that factor as well, isn't there? He wants to be the longest serving Karnataka Chief Minister. He wants to wants status quo to continue till March, at least.
Well, very, very true, in fact, because since you see he's been called as the Ahinda leader as well and a masked leader, he enjoys a popularity here in the Karnataka like no one else in the current scenario. You've had from the BJP, it's Yediyurappa, or for that matter from the Congress party, it has been Siddaramaiah. So there's nobody to beat him is what that the many leaders also believe from, whether it's from the Congress, JDS or from the BJP as well. Now remember, at this point in time, the Kumaraswamy, the union minister, just a couple of days back, he had also provided a hint. He says how that, because Siddaramaiah was back then into the Janata Dal also, because back then therein, so he says he has known him very well, that he's not a person who would give up this easily. Now there were also the leaders who had said that 100 of the 100 of one of that the Deve Gowda will actually also become one of the Siddaramaiah. That's the kind of statement we have seen in the past. On the other side, we have had DK Shivakumar in the past to try and understand and link a lot of things of what's happening in the present situation, whether both of them are in the mood to compromise and allow one to become the Chief Minister or another one to continue, is also that because DK Shivakumar in the past, if you remember, he had said that he's not some sort of a Swami who's with the saffron robe to just sit quiet and watch this whole thing that's going around with him. He also has an aim to become the Chief Minister. Now probably this is the time that where he's really seeing it, saying that he has proved his loyalty to the party, he has proved his hard work, the strength during this assembly election by bringing the party into the power. What else is left for the High Command that he really has to prove on the other lines? Now that's the kind of the words that are really coming in from the DK's camp. But however, how this is really going to be panning out within this of the High Command meeting as well about the drama that's getting unfolded here in the state, that needs to be seen.